In this video, I will show you how to delete your Bitrix24 account. First, log into your Bitrix24 account and you will see your dashboard. Navigate to the upper right of your screen, next to Bitrix24, and click on the Menu Options button. A drop-down will appear. Click on Settings and it will redirect you to another pop-up. Scroll down and locate the Dismiss button at the bottom part of the pop-up, then click on it. Click the three lines next to their names. A pop-up will appear where you can click on the Dismiss button to proceed. Then another pop-up will appear showing Delete this Bitrix24 account. Click on it. You will be asked to type the word delete for confirmation, then press Delete Bitrix24. An email confirmation code will be sent to your registered email address. Go to your email, check for the code, and type it to proceed. And that's how to delete Bitrix24 account.